boat building. You should definitely take the FEIN MultiMaster on board. You'll achieve noticeably better results in boat building and renovation. The FEIN MultiMaster gives the best service here when sanding wood or steel boats into corners, on edges and in tight spaces. You're equipped for all applications with sanding sheets from 36 to 800 grit. FEIN MultiMaster is ideal for renovating decks. Remove all common sealant materials quickly and thoroughly with the cutting blades. The time saving is over 80% compared with working by hand. So for this application alone, a FEIN MultiMaster will already have paid for itself. The mini-cut saw blades are an ideal tool for subsequent installations in tight spaces. With the new carbide file insert, grooves in wood and plastic can be perfectly deburred and fine machined. The HSS saw blades are excellently suited for sawing work on plasterboard and carbon fibre reinforced plastic boat hulls for perfect clean cuts without cracking and damage to the laminate. Clean the decks with the FEIN MultiMaster.